really nice and fluffy over here. So it's really nice and fluffy at the moment. So I think that should be okay now. And I've got 2 large eggs. And I'll show you. You can do this, and then from the top, you flip it over like it's a hen egg already. Okay, try that again. Neat. These fails are actually really fun. But this is what makes it so fun, right? Anyway, once I've got my eggs in, I'm gonna, half an egg anyway, an egg and a half, and you're gonna just do this. And obviously, you might see a bit of curdling happening at this point, which is not a problem. Okay, you can still carry on with this. You just gotta keep mixing it. If you want to, you can add in some flour now, but you don't need to do that. It's not necessary, but you can. So then you're gonna get some flour and add in half your flour, about 3/4 of your flour actually. Mix it together. And if you guys know this method, it's called folding in flour, because sometimes it can knock out too much air, especially if you haven't got all your eggs in. That's our little secret. So then you just gotta mix it all together, and then until it is in a nice batter, add in the rest of your flour. So as long as you've got that incorporated nicely, that's all you really need. So just get that last bit incorporated. Okay, this last little bit's so annoying, honestly. Okay, mix it together. Now at this point it's actually becoming as a bit of a dough, but don't worry about that, because we've already incorporated the first bit. You're going to add in about 20 millilitres of milk and mix it together. But don't forget, this is not a pancake mix, it's a cake mix, so got to be careful how you do this. But because I have made cakes for about 5 years now, kind of know the sort of rules and stuff. Really got to put some elbow grease into this though. So some people make a yellow box, like a yellow box cake, you can buy them, but I like to make white cakes. It looks quite white in there, but it's actually quite yellowy, so it's like a yellowy white box cake. So I quite like these, to be honest. Once you've done this, you can either, if you think that your consistency isn't too thick, because sometimes it can be quite thick, it's actually meant to go like a V shape, like that. But if it doesn't, you can add in a bit more, another 10 millilitres of milk. But you don't want to go too crazy with the milk, because you are meant to have quite a thick batter. So go ahead and add that in. And mix it together. Quite a lot of elbow grease in there, but you know, got to happen one day, isn't it? Okay. Once you've mixed that all together, make sure you go right at the bottom and try and mix that in so that you've got that in there like so. Okay. So now you're gonna get your pan. I've actually got one pan here. Now you're probably thinking, how come it hasn't gone all the way to the back? It's because even though that has happened, it doesn't actually need to go all the way to the sides, because I've actually greased it. You can't probably see in the video, but I have greased it. If you can't see, then I'm afraid you can't see it in the video, but I have done it. Just make sure that you do that nicely, and then yeah, so just mix it all about now. And don't forget, these are going to rise, so if you're thinking what the hell is not enough in there, don't worry, there will be. Just level it out nicely, then get your second cake. And now again, if you think it's too thick, they're not going to be enough, then by all means add in some more milk. But you don't want to go too crazy on the milk, like I said before, because sometimes when people go crazy with milk, it can come out a bit differently, let's put it that way. Alright, then obviously I think you guys know how to do this by now. If you've made cake before, I'm pretty sure you know how to do this. Just do that by the sides, then get it all out. A quick tip, when you're getting your cake mixture in, a quick tip is to use a spatula. Now I can't actually find my spatula at the moment. Wait, found it. What you do, actually is one of these. You can use this for various things, including cakes. But this is obviously going to be a bit different. So, yep. So what you're going to do, you're going to just mix it all about in your thingamajig, get it out, and just literally, this is good because it picks up any of that excess that you might have left back. Obviously, we need to remember now that this is going to rise. Well, I keep saying that, but if it doesn't, I'm not going to want to get it. And let's forget what I just said there. So you're just going to do this for me. And get in all that last bit of cake mix. Pop it in the oven. And then, that's it really. So I'm still going to finish that one. You can put this one in the oven, put that one in the oven, put this one in the oven, put that one in the oven. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Make sure you like and subscribe.